Invidia N1. It's been around for quite some time now, and it's made a name for itself with how damn rowdy it is. It's gonna be on the louder side, not gonna be for everybody, but if you enjoy that loud exhaust and you don't wanna hear anything that the passenger has to say, might be a good fit for you. With all jokes aside though, with just the catback installed and everything else stock, I actually don't mind it. It has a really aggressive exhaust tone to it. It's not raspy as you could hear in the exhaust clips. At around 70 miles per hour cruising, there is a slight bit of drone, but that's to be expected with an exhaust like this. It's not over the top, but that could all change once you start modifying the front pipe, over pipe, and the header. You could very easily go over the top and turn this into a very obnoxious exhaust. So you do have to be careful with that. But some people don't give a shit. Now it's a dual exit exhaust, massive 4-inch tips, available in either burnt titanium or stainless steel polished tips. Are they polished? Yes, I think they are polished. It has a unique design to it where the tips angle slightly outwards for a more aggressive look. You might like it, you might not, completely subjective. It also weighs a significant amount less than the stock exhaust, so that's an added plus. So if you're looking for an exhaust that's gonna allow everybody to know that you're coming and you embrace the rowdiness, the Invidia N1 might be the perfect partner in crime for you. I'll leave a link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe if you've had experience with this exhaust before, comment down below, letting me know which exhaust you guys want to hear next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.